Hello students, today we are going to start the question paper of the year 2013. Set 1 we are going to start now. Let us start with the questions. The first question is, find the principal value of tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Tan inverse 1 is the value of tan pi by 4. So we can write it as tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus cos inverse minus cos of pi by 3. 1 by 2 is the value of cos pi by 3. Now cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos of pi minus theta is minus cos of theta. All positive in the first quadrant, sin positive, tan positive and cos positive. So pi minus में क्या होगा? cos जो है नेगेटिव होगा. Therefore cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So instead of this we will write it as plus cos inverse cos of pi minus pi by 3. Cos inverse and cos will get cancelled, so pi by 4 plus take the LCM 3 pi minus pi 2 pi by 3. 3 pi plus 4 into 2 is 8, that is 11 pi by 12. 11 pi by 12. Now the second is, find the value of tan 2 tan inverse 1 by 5. We know the formula for tan 2 tan inverse x, that is equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Apply this formula here. We can write it as tan 2 tan inverse. So tan inverse 2x here is 1 by 5. 1 minus 1 upon x square. 1 upon 5 square. So what we get? Tan into tan inverse 2 by 5. 25 minus 1, 24 by 25. Tan and tan inverse will get cancelled, so we have left with 2 by 5, 25 upon 24, 5 and 12. So we get the answer as 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Note it down. Next one is, find the value of A if A minus B, 2A minus B, 2A plus C, 3C plus D is equals to minus 1, 0, 5, 13. Find the value of A. We want to find only the value of A. So terms with A, we will equate that terms. So what we get? A minus B as minus 1, 2A minus B is equals to 0. Solve this. Plus, minus, minus. Plus minus B cancel. Minus A is equals to minus 1. So we get the value of A as 1. Now the next one is, if determinant of x minus x plus 1, x minus 3, x minus 1, x plus 2, 4 minus 1, 1x plus 2 into 1 minus x square minus 3x minus x and minus minus plus 3. X square get cancelled. 3x minus minus plus 4, that is 7x plus 2 minus 3. So 7x is equals to 14, or we get x as 2. Next one is, if matrix 9 minus 2 minus 1 1 4 3 is equals to A plus 1 0 2 4 minus 1 9, then find the matrix A. This is sum of the two matrix on the right hand side. When this matrix gone on left hand side, then sign will change. So minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 9 is equals to matrix A. So A matrix is equals to, subtract 9 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2, 4 minus minus plus 1, minus 2 minus 0, 1 minus 4, 3 minus 9. So matrix A has value 8 minus 3, 5, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 6. Next is, write the degree of differential equation x cube d square y dx square power 2 plus x dy upon dx power 4 is equals to 0. Degree of, what is the degree? Degree is the power of highest order derivative. Highest order derivative here is 2 and its power is 2. So degree of this differential equation is 2. Next one. If A vector is equals to xi plus 2j minus zk, B vector is 3i minus yj plus k are two equal vectors, then write the value of x plus y plus z. It is given that A vector is equals to B vector, xi plus 2j minus zk is equals to 3i minus yj plus k. If two vectors are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. So we get x as 3 minus y is equals to 2 and minus z is equals to 1. So we get the value of z as minus 1. Now we want to write the value of x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. So 3 minus 3, value of x plus y plus z is 0. Next one is, if a unit vector A vector makes an angle pi by 3 with I cap, pi by 4 with j and an acute angle theta with k, then find the value of theta. Here we have given the angles. We know L is equals to cos alpha, M is cos beta and N is cos of gamma. Cos alpha with I axis, the angle is pi by 3, cos pi by 3 value 1 by 2. With y axis it is making an angle pi by 4, cos pi by 4. And with z axis angle is theta. Now we So take the LCM now. 4, 1 plus 2 plus n square, 3 by 4, n is cos square theta, 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. Cos of theta is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of cos pi by 3. So we get the value of theta as pi by 3. Now the next one is find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through point -2, 4, -5 and is parallel to the line x plus 3 by 3, 4 minus y upon 5 and z plus 8 by 6. Now we want to find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through point this and parallel to this. We know the Cartesian equation of the line has formula x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b and z minus z1 upon c. Points we are given x1, y1, z1 this. Now we want to find the direction ratios. Since these two lines are parallel, so the direction ratios of this line and direction ratio of this line will be equal. Now first we want to find the direction ratio of this line. Write in this form x minus x1 upon a, take negative common and z minus z1 upon 6. This negative in the denominator. So we get the direction ratio of the line is direction ratios of line are 3, -5 and 6. Now the Cartesian equation of line which passes through point -2, 4, -5 and whose direction ratios are this. And whose direction ratios are 3, -5, 6. So x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. That is, the line is x plus 2 by 3, y minus 4 upon -5, z plus 5 upon 6. So this is the required Cartesian equation of the line. The amount of the pollution content added in air in a city due to X diesel vehicle is given by Px is equals to 0.005 x cube plus 0.02 x square plus 30x. Find the marginal increase in pollution content when 3 diesel vehicles are added and write which value is indicated in above question. 3 vehicles are added and we want to find the marginal cost. So first take the derivative. 5 into 3 is 15 x square, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 30. Now 3 vehicles are added, so we want to find the value of the first derivative at point x is equals to 3. 3 square plus 30. 0.135 plus 0.12 plus 30. So 30.255. 30.255. Now it is given that pollution caused by diesel vehicle, so smoke emitted by the vehicles lead to the global warming. Therefore, they should use the vehicles with CNG. Now the next, we are going to start section B. The first question is, show that the function f in A is equals to real number minus 2 by 3 defined as f of x 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 is 1 1 and on 2 and hence find f inverse. For function to be proved, it is 1 1. हमें क्या प्रूफ करना है कि अगर f of x1 और f of x2 इक्वल है, if it implies x1 is equals to x2, then the function is 1 1 function. So first let f of x1 is equals to f of x2. Instead of x, put the function value of x is x1. 6 x1 minus 4, 4 x2 plus 3 and 6 x2 minus 4. Now solve these equations. Cross multiply 4 into 6, 24 x1 x2 minus 16 x1 18 x2 minus 12 is equals to 4 into 6 24 minus 16 x2 plus 18 x1 minus 12. 24 x1 x2 minus this is with positive sign, it will get cancelled. Now we want to prove that x1 is equals to x2. Now here with 16 the term is x2 and here with 16 the term is x1. So we can write it as 16x1 plus 16x2 plus 18x2 minus 18x1 minus 12 also cancelled. Now terms of x1 minus 18 and minus 16 minus 34x1 is equals to minus 34x2. It implies x1 is equals to x2. हम मान के चले थे f of x1 is equals to f of x2 and the result is x1 is equals to x2. Therefore the function is 1 1. Now in the next step we want to prove that the function is onto function. For that, let y is equals to f of x let y is equals to f of x. F of x is value 4x plus 3 6x minus 4. Now cross multiply 6xy minus 4y is equals to 4x plus 3. From here, if y is equals to fx and we prove that x is equals to f of y, then the function is onto function. हमने माना कि y is equals to fx. From here we want to prove f of y is equals to x. Take y common. We want the term 4y plus 3. 4y plus 3 upon 6y minus 4. We want this term f of y. x वाली टर्म को एक साइड ले जाएंगे. minus 4y minus 3 4x minus 6xy. We can write it as this. Now in the next step, Take negative common, 4y plus 3. This is the term here, 4y plus 3. From here take x common, 4 minus 6y. If we take negative common, then 6y minus 4 minus 4y plus 3. Negative sign will get cancelled from both sides. So 4y plus 3 upon 6y minus 4 is equals to x. This is the value of fy. So x is equals to fy. Therefore the function is onto. दो पार्ट हमने प्रूफ कर दिए. The function is 1 1 and function is onto.